Imagine you want to send money to a friend in another country. With a bank, it could take days and come with high fees. But what if you could send money instantly with low fees and without a bank? That's exactly what cryptocurrency does. In today's video, we'll explain what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's changing the financial world. Whether you're new to crypto or just curious, this guide is for you. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future crypto explanations. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that exists only online. You can't hold it like cash, but you can use it just like real money. The first and most famous cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. It was designed to be a new form of money that is decentralized, secure, and not controlled by any government or bank. But Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency. There are over 10,000 different cryptocurrencies, each serving different purposes. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrency doesn't rely on banks. Instead, it runs on a technology called blockchain. What is blockchain? Think of blockchain as a giant digital notebook that records every transaction. But here's the catch. Once a transaction is recorded, it can't be changed or deleted. This makes cryptocurrency secure, transparent, and nearly impossible to hack. How do crypto transactions work? Let's say you want to send one Bitcoin to a friend. Instead of a bank verifying your transaction, it gets verified by thousands of computers around the world. These computers confirm that you have enough Bitcoin and then process the transaction in minutes, not days. Where do you store cryptocurrency? Since crypto is digital, you store it in a crypto wallet. There are two types: hot wallets, online wallets connected to the internet like apps; cold wallets, offline wallets for maximum security. Now, you've probably heard of Bitcoin, but did you know there are many other types of cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Ethereum, ETH, more than just money, it powers smart contracts. Dogecoin, Doge, a fun, community-driven meme coin. Stablecoins, USDT, USDC, digital dollars that don't change in value. Utility tokens used for specific projects like Binance Coin, BNB. Each cryptocurrency has a unique purpose, but they all follow the same principle: digital money that is decentralized, secure, and global. Cryptocurrency has become a global phenomenon, but why is it so popular? Freedom from banks, no middlemen, no restrictions, faster transactions, send money anywhere in minutes, low fees, avoid expensive bank charges, global access, anyone with internet can use it, security and transparency, transactions are public and secure. That's why millions of people and even big companies like Tesla and PayPal are using cryptocurrency. Now, is cryptocurrency safe? The answer is yes, but only if you use it correctly. Keep your private keys safe. If you lose them, you lose your crypto. Watch out for scams. Avoid fake websites and investment traps. Use trusted wallets and exchanges. Not all platforms are secure. While crypto is secure, it's also volatile. Prices can go up or down quickly. That's why education is key. So now you know the basics of cryptocurrency. It's a digital form of money that's fast, secure, and changing the world. Did you enjoy this video? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly crypto content. Thanks for watching.